Hi guys, it's me, Kid. Today I'm doing another how-to, and this time it's going to be a how to make a movable Christmas light, or like a Christmas light where you could take anywhere you want. So it could fit in your pocket or anything, and they could turn on and turn off. So this is all you need. You need a flashlight, which I think I got this at Dollar Tree, I think. I don't think so. Actually, it might have been Kroger. But also, you need Christmas light. So you need to take it off like that. See if it works. Also, it does not come with batteries, so put batteries in it first. So it works, but it's unsafe, so I'll go put a new lid on it. Oh wait, it's not fitting. Wait a second. So, this will be better. I'll be holding this like that. See, it's a movable. See, it works. Name is your tableau. The movable Christmas light. It'll be really useful for Christmas. I want to show you it in the dark. That's good. So, oh, dang it. Yeah, that's another mode you could do. Yeah, battery. So, this is my how to make a moving Christmas light. Well, see you in the next video. Bye!